Top headlines for the day.
Dil Hai Mushkil's breakup song is out, and man, isn't it a weird way of celebrating a breakup? We did see glimpses of a after breakup party scene in Love Aajkal, but Dil Hai Mushkil has dealt with it in a different way. On one side, we see Aishwarya and Ranbir getting closer, and on the other, this rocking breakup song focusing on Anushka and Ranbir's breaking up. The beat, the rhythm, the tone is high and rocking and sets the trends for a party feeling, but it is actually more towards hiding emotions through a whammer song, and the lyrics and music have been successful in doing this. The breakup song is just the tip of the iceberg in the series of surprises that Karan has in store for us. What do you feel about a breakup song? Did you like the style of breaking up a relation? Deepika Padukone would be the first guest on the much-awaited reality show Bigg Boss 10 to be anchored by the one and only Salman Khan. Yes, the starlet would be promoting her XXX The Return of Xander's Cage now that she has wrapped up the shoot and is back in India. Indeed, it is a great start for a reality show which is more popular only because of Salman Khan's connection to it. This year, the show is going to be bigger and better with commoners mixing with celebrities. Well, celebrity or not, we sure have our esteemed Deepika on board with the Bigg Boss ship, and we look forward to this. Amastani would rock with Sultan, and surely we are eager to see Ranbir's ex-girlfriend with Salman Khan, who is now very protective about Ranbir's other girlfriend Katrina Kaif. It is Bhai all the way as usual, and he sure is gonna ensure the Janta has the best out of the promotion. Hai na? Keep watching. Salman Khan was spotted shooting for his upcoming Tube Light in natural light, and boy, ain't it a great sight to watch our own Sultan gig it up big time? We sure dig Bhai's popularity quotient and also wonder how he manages to reside in the hearts of his fans since long time. Word has it that Bhai is a wonder when it comes to dealing with his fans, and was seen giving photographs to some school children in Manali during the shoot. With Salman shooting under natural light, the interest to watch the movie increases doublefold, and we are also now eager to see the songs being shot now, as they are all part of our life and Bhai's career. Meanwhile, Salman is also busy with other sequels to his movies, and we only wonder how much more he would dole out to his fans. Do you dig Salman's way of working, and what do you feel about his upcoming Tube Light? Leave your comments below. Salman Khan, who is currently in Manali shooting for Kabir Khan's war drama Tube Light, was recently seen spending some quality time with some school children. Director Kabir Khan shared an adorable picture of Salman with the school children on Instagram, where Salman is seen signing autographs for the children and interacting with them. These are some lucky kids, we must say. Hai na? Salman, as we all know, is very fond of kids, and earlier was visited by sister Arpita, brother-in-law Ayush Sharma and nephew Ahil on the sets. Images surfaced where Bhai was seen playing with his nephew Ahil, sister Arpita Khan's tiny one. We must say Salman doesn't miss a chance to be in the company of innocent and pure-hearted children, and made sure to do the same after a tiring day of shoot in the school premises. At Salman Khan for truly being human. Yes, when it comes to kids, Bhai really obliges them to no end, and during the shoot of Tube Light in Manali, Salman only proved that he is a people's person. He was seen giving autographs to school children in Manali, and it was a very pleasing sight indeed. Salman, on his second chapter of shooting for his upcoming 2017 movie with Kabir Khan, sure has locked out a great deal with the impending schedule of his reality show Bigg Boss 10 coming up. Yet he is relaxed when it comes to his fans and obliges every one of them the way he can. Truly a bhai par excellence, what say? Anyway, Salman is also getting ready with other sequels to his earlier films and Tiger Zinda Hai with Kabir Khan. With all this happening, school children can now gear up for some more autographs across the country. Hai na? What do you say to Salman's fan interactions? Bollywood's newest daddy, Shahid Kapoor, was recently spotted at the airport with wife Meera Rajput and newborn Misha. It is their first vacation after the birth of their daughter on 26th August 2016. The actor, who has been very active on social media throughout Meera's pregnancy, has refrained from posting any pictures of the little one on any platform, and that's making everyone all the more curious. The media has been keeping a close eye on Shahid's every move, hoping to get a glimpse of Shahid's little princess. At the airport, Shahid was seen holding and covering his tiny tot in a pink quilt, protecting her from the prying eyes of the shutterbugs, while Meera was seen leading her man. The Rangoon actor, who has taken a short break from work, is basking in all the joys of parenthood and enjoying every moment of it before he begins shooting for SLB's Padmavati alongside Deepika Padukone. We hope that Misha has a wonderful first flight experience and fans soon get to see pictures of her on her vacation. Shilpa Shetty, who lost her dad, Mr. Surendra Shetty, yesterday, that is 11th October 2016, to a massive cardiac arrest in his sleep, has written a beautiful message for her departed father. Both the sisters Shilpa and Shamita were extremely close to their father. Family and friends are shocked after the sudden demise of Mr. Shetty. The last rites were performed today morning, after which Shilpa took to Instagram and wrote this loving message for her dad, which states, "Our hero, loving and kind in all his ways, upright and just to the end of his days, sincere and true in his heart and mind. Beautiful memories he left behind. A link in our family chain is broken. He has gone from our home, but not from our hearts. We love you, Daddy. You have been the best father, husband, friend and soul. May your soul rest in peace. We hope the family gets through this trying time. May his soul rest in peace." Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, the upcoming Karan Johar movie, has come up with the new concept of a party after breakup and a breakup song to put it straight. Whoa, this is surely a growing trend if it catches on, and let us see 5 reasons why we should watch this song. When it is Karan Johar, everything seems so different and is an eye candy. One reason why we should watch it is a kind of eye candy for all. A breakup song is rarely seen, and usually people cry when they lose someone. So it is another good reason why we would be keen to watch it. After watching Ranbir and Ash in Bulaiya in a passionate scene, this song shows Ranbir and Anushka in a breakup, thus kicking up more questions. With Ae Dil Hai Mushkil due for release in Diwali, the song gives us more reason to wait for the movie. We sure love the breakup song. What about you? Bollywood heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor recently visited the sets of Sony's Hum Bhi Super Dancer to promote his upcoming film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Ranbir was seen promoting Ae Dil Hai Mushkil solo as co-stars Aishwarya Rai, Anushka Sharma and Fawad Khan were amidst. Ranbir looked dapper in denim shirt and pants and was a special guest on the show. Geeta Kapoor, Shilpa Shetty Kundra and Anurag Basu, the judges of the show, and was seen clicking selfies with them. As expected, Ranbir enjoyed every performance and did some musty too with the judges as well as the contestants. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is a very unusual love story with a young boy falling in love with an older woman and is all set to release this Diwali, and promotions are in full swing. Being Human jewelry photoshoot with Salman and Jacqueline. Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez were seen shooting for the Being Human brand of jewelry recently released by Salman. Yes, for all those who are coming in new, This is indeed a great piece of news that Salman Khan has also launched his brand of jewelry. Didn't we tell you about this last week, and now we see Jacqueline shooting for it with Bhai? Well, leave it to Sallu to be in touch with his girls always. Whether it is Daisy Shah, Kat or Jacqueline, they have all been there, done that with Salman and sure know how to be around his life always. Jacqueline and Salman had got a little estranged in between, but now they are back and soon Jackie would also be seen in one of Salman's sequels. Isn't that so nice? And now with this photo shoot of the Being Human jewelry, things seem to be right on track again, है ना?